Welcome to Shipwatch on Let's Go Check It Out, the premier destination for maritime exploration. Today, we are excited to bring you some exclusive footage of a recent favorite vessel of ours. A 35-year-old workhorse of a coaster that has recently received a new lease of life in the form of a fresh paint job to help ensure she is fit to last even longer. This is River Trader, a single-decker general dry cargo ship originally built in Yorkshire in the United Kingdom by the Yorkshire Dry Dock Company back in 1989. River Trader was launched under the name Who Beach until November 2006, when she was renamed to Teal, before finally in June 2009 she became River Trader, as we see here today. Although she is not the last of her kind, many ships of a similar age and design have already been removed from service. The footage we are viewing here is on the approach to Margate Roads, Anchorage, where she will drop anchor, as seen later in this video. Some of you keen-eyed frequent Shipwatch viewers may spot reefer ship Prince of Seas in the background here, who we featured on the previous video. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you would like to take an exclusive closer look. River Trader is on the smaller end in terms of size, being just 58 meters in length and 9 meters in breadth. This, however, combined with having a low air draft and shallow draft, makes her the perfect size for navigating some of the tighter waterways and lower bridges so frequently encountered in and around the UK and Europe. She is a frequent visitor to some of the smaller ports where it is much harder for larger ships to operate safely. River Trader has a single large cargo hold with no separate compartments. Although this has its drawbacks, this is actually beneficial in many ways. It often allows simpler loading and unloading, reducing time spent in ports, boosting efficiency. It also allows a wider range of cargo types, as often oversized or irregularly shaped items are too large for a compartmentalized cargo hold. This style of cargo hold also removes the risk of cross-contamination which can occur when ships are carrying multiple types of cargo at the same time. Frequent cargo types include grain, coal, ores, cement, fertilizers, machinery, timber, sand, gravel, limestone, and many more. Typically the cargo carried is dry cargo. As the vessel comes to a slow and steady drift to her plotted slot in the anchorage, the crew prepare to drop anchor. We see here the anchor chain running under the careful control of the crew to ensure the speed of the chain does not become uncontrollable. One final wave from our captain and she is anchored down for the night. A job well done by the crew. We hope you have enjoyed this visual tour. Please drop us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below. Until next time.